Hey guys, today is going to be my first Monkey Zone video, but also the first video I show you that I just got supporter. But I just got supporter.
I don't care.
So I'm gonna showcase the supporter events. If you want supporters, come over here. Go to support me. You can get this or this, but I got this one. And the most important part about it is. They added more stuff? No way, bro. Look. Yo, follow me. I want to show you my cosmetics I get. You want me to show you some supporter cosmetics I get? Follow me.
I'm not even playing.
Yo, you want me to show you some supporter cosmetics you get?
No.
Follow me. Follow
Why
me.
can I unlock it?
I said follow that.
Wait, so all
You can't get me. Let me. You can't go. Dude, what's on?
This is actually
Not this one. Not this one.
real.
Well, this one.
Ah. Follow me. Yo. You want me to show you the supporter stuff that I get?
I already have supporter.
Oh wait, let's go in together.
I have
Let's go in together. Let's go in together. Come on.
Why do I
Let's
have
go in.
legs?
There you are.
Let's go in supporter together. Come on. Let's go.
Dude. You have to tag me.
Alright,
Dude,
look.
I'm not. What?
So I have the
I'm
money.
not it.
Look.
Oh. Well, now you are.
Look.
You did tag. What you do? Tag. Who's it? You have to tag me twice. I want to play tag. I want to play tag. Let me do tag. Who's it?
Is that a money
I
gun?
don't like this area. It's gone so creepy. What is that?
Money hat. I'm gonna
Hey, guess what,
I'm
Red?
here to
Guess what, Red?
showcase
Tag
this
your
one. I think personally,
Guess
I'm
what,
gonna
Luke?
tap
Guess what,
it.
Luke?
Here it
Tag
is,
your
right there.
Who's it? I'm faster than everyone in this lobby. No, you're not, buddy.
Oh my God, you
I
are.
found a secret.
And there's money.
Tag
There's
them,
money
blue guy.
emotion.
Let's go over
So
here.
if you've never had emotions, get support.
Hang on.
So, and I want to show you another bit of a goofy ass secret. If you come over here, just go right, follow me. It's gonna take a long time. So you get to know
Hey,
me.
Pink, look below you. Hey, Pink. Hey, Pink is white. Look below you.
Follow
Look
me.
down here.
Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
Hey guys, go to the silver vet thing.
Yo, I'm a supporter. Follow me.
Oh, you're a supporter?
Yeah. So I'm going to the supporter club. I'm going to the supporter club.
No, go to the
Sorry, my tracking is really bad.
You're so fast. How am I supposed to tag you? Like it. Dude, you have to speed
Are you ready?
Hang on. Let me come up. You can
Are you ready?
Dude, you have speed boost and I know it.
Yo, it's so great.